So, are you affirming, rampaging, robotic affirming for quite some time with no results? Then, these two reasons, I'm going to give you two reasons today that are the only reasons why your robotic affirming or affirming is not working. We'll talk about how to fix them. And no, these reasons are not that you have shadow work to do or that you have such strong limiting beliefs that it's taking time to overcome them. No, the reasons are very simple, and once you fix them, they are in fact the only two reasons why any manifestation technique, this is not just about affirming, these are the only two reasons why, and that is consistency, discipline, consistency, and mental diet. These are the only two reasons why any manifestation technique works or doesn't work, because the power is not in the technique. So if you have been robotically affirming or rampaging, or let's say even visualizing, scripting, and doing your sats, and it's not working out for you, these are the two reasons why. So let's discuss why these are the two reasons and how you can fix them, okay? So let's dive in. Hello everyone, I am Neha Kumar, and on this channel my mission is to help you guys become masters at manifesting your dream reality, because you're always manifesting something. Most often we are manifesting things we don't want, again because of discipline, consistency, and mental diet. Okay, so let's dive in. What's the what's the matter with mental diet and discipline and consistency, and why you need it, and how it makes any manifestation technique work? Okay, so let's say you've been affirming, visualizing, and you take like 15 minutes of your day to visualize, to affirm, to robotically affirm, and then you try to rampage, but here's the thing: if it's not working, then the number one reason why it's not working is because you have a poor mental diet. Meaning, what's a mental diet? A mental diet is literally you taking care of the kind of thoughts and visuals that are running through your mind unconsciously on a daily basis, right? So, here's what you need to understand: your reality is literally created by your predominant thoughts, the thoughts you keep thinking, which in turn become your beliefs, right? So a belief is just a thought you kept thinking, a visual you kept seeing repeatedly in your mind's eye. A belief is just a thought, a visual you keep seeing, you keep thinking, and that's literally what a belief is. And that belief has to manifest. Now, your reality is created of your beliefs, and your beliefs are thoughts you keep thinking. So, essentially, you can say that your reality is a result of your predominant beliefs. Now, a mental diet, a good mental diet, tells you that you should spend predominant amount of your time, and if you want to really get into the math, it means more than 12 hours of your day thinking about having what you want, thinking about how you will live in the end, what would it feel like, what would it look like, just running your imagination rampant on making yourself think about your life from the point of view of already having your dream reality accomplished, right? So if you do the math, mental diet, a successful mental diet would literally mean that you spend more than 12 hours of your day thinking about your reality and your dream positively, right? Now, if your affirmations are not working, what's more likely happening is that you listen to manifestation videos, and you take out your 15 minutes, okay, and you are completely disciplined in those 15 minutes, right? And you affirm, or you visualize, or you script, you might even be robotically affirming. But that's only for those 15 minutes, while the rest of the day, or more than 12 hours of the day, you are spending reacting to your 3D. You are making decisions from the point of view of your old self, you know, like you're thinking about your future even as if nothing has changed. So, right now, you're thinking about your future 10 months from now, imagining yourself and affirming yourself to be living the same kind of reality you are living right now, and that is predominant in your thought pattern that is dominating your imagination, your visualization. And that is the reason why those that minor 15-minute section throughout the day is unable to do its magic, because the rest of you is not changing, your personality, your thought patterns are not changing, right? So what should you do instead? 15 minutes of affirmations. And by the way, let me tell you this, it's not like if you don't do your mental diet of manifesting will not work. It will work. Those 15 minutes will still work, but they will work slowly. Because now those 15 minutes will need to compound day by day, 15 minute plus 15 minute plus 15 minute plus 15 minute, till your beliefs can be changed. So, like, if you don't do any mental diet at all and you are simply affirming, it will work, it will be slow. And if you're okay with that, that's all right. And some days you have that are really, really tough, if 15 minutes is all you can get, do it, and that's okay. But if you want your results quicker, if you don't want to have to wait for years and years on end to get quick results from your manifestation, a mental diet, predominantly thinking about what you want, having it, and thinking about your life from the end point of having it is going to do the magic. Here, let me also tell you that if you are following a strict mental diet, then a simple wobble here and there, 15 minutes, 20 minutes, a couple of hours of negative thinking is not going to affect you if you are consistent with your mental diet. You spend most of your time in alignment with your desire, in the state of wish fulfilled, right? So, this is what you need to do. You use your affirmations, but ensure that you are having a good mental diet, because that's going to affect the speed or the rate at which you get what you want. All right. The second thing, then, consistency and discipline. Both of these things, I club them as one. They might sound as two separate words, but they're the same thing. Because if you are not disciplined, you won't be consistent. So, discipline and consistency in your manifestation techniques is the second most important factor that's affecting whether you get what you want or not. Because, see, sometimes what will happen is you will just affirm for 15 minutes one day and you will get it. But these are the kind of desires towards which you have very little resistance, which means if you didn't affirm for 15 minutes, you would still get it, because you have extremely low resistance, you have no past negative experiences, you have no negative beliefs with regards to this desire, and hence it is manifesting instantly. Oftentimes these are the kind of desires that are not that big to you. So a butterfly of certain color, a car of certain color, getting like some pennies, or a coffee, these kind of things, they manifest quickly, they don't need effort. In fact, you're not, like, you don't have resistance towards a cup of coffee, right? Hence it manifests instantly. But what about something that means a lot to you, and you've thought about it a lot, and you've put this desire on a pedestal, and the first day or 15 minute of affirming hasn't really changed much? In this case, you'll have to be consistent and disciplined with your robotic affirming. In this case, you affirm till it comes to you every single day. You do your mental diet till it comes to you every single day. You are like that persistent, bratty kind of individual who just won't give up till they get what they want, right? And this is why discipline and consistency is essential, especially for the desires that actually mean a lot to you, life changing desires that need your nervous system to reset, that need you to start thinking differently, something life changing. Things like, maybe you are in a simple job right now, making very little money, and all of a sudden you want to be a millionaire, something like that, being worldwide famous, being a famous actor, actress, Olympic champion athlete, or, even like getting a big, decent job in a big company. Anything that is meaningful to you is worth the effort, is worth the discipline, is worth the consistency. It doesn't have to be global. Like, maybe you come from a family where women are not allowed to work, and just getting a job is big for you. Being financially free is big for you. Maybe you come from a family where everybody's into a certain kind of job, and then you try to get a different kind of job, and that's big for you. Maybe you want to travel the world, and you want to, not have to work your ass off in order to make the money. Maybe that's big for you. So whatever is big for you deserves that kind of attention and effort in your affirming and in your mental diet. So be disciplined and keep affirming, keep visualizing, keep scripting, keep repeating your sats till you get it. Because yes, some things manifest instantly, but there's also the opposite end where some things do take their time. And when something is taking its time, it's just that you have you just need to fix your mental diet and your discipline, because those are the only two things missing. And that thing that feels so far away right now, because there's another affirmation, right? It's so far away, I cannot see how it can manifest. This is also part of your mental diet that needs to go, but it will take practice, it will take discipline and consistency to get there, right? You fix this, you get discipline, you tell yourself that no, I don't care what's going on, I'm going to affirm, and I'm going to do a mental diet because this dream matters to me, and this dream is something I want to see in my life, and I want to experience it. Have that spine, that courage, that determination to get that dream into your reality. And if you fix these two things, you will see yourself be such a powerful manifester that things do manifest for you instantly, right? And this is all you need to know. This is why basically mental diet plus consistency, discipline is the only reason that will make your manifestation technique work, or it will make it not work. And you fix this, and you will get everything you desire. That's literally it. So thank you so much for joining me here today. Subscribe to the channel if you've not subscribed yet. Press the bell icon so that you get notified for the future videos that I post. Like this video, share this video, comment Master Manifester. And to book personal coaching with me, you can check the description box or my pinned comment for all the details. And I'll see you again soon. Good luck. Bye.